Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the console cup game files and tools in place. Mount or extract the ISO, or copy the installer to a folder. Once done, make sure your GPU drivers and DirectX are up to date so performance won't bottleneck. You'll also connect and pair your controller now. Using a USB cable avoids latency. This initial setup prevents installation hiccups and prepares the PC to run the console-targeted build correctly. You install the game next and tailor the environment for console behavior. Run the installer as administrator and follow prompts. If the build is console-specific, enable compatibility mode or use a lightweight virtualization/translation layer to bridge missing APIs. Once installed, open the game's config to set resolution to your monitor and map inputs so buttons match the console layout. You should also adjust controller dead zones and sensitivity so gameplay feels authentic and responsive. You now launch the game and verify everything runs smoothly. Start in borderless windowed mode to test stability and confirm controller mapping, then switch to full screen for full performance. If you see stutter, lower graphics presets, enable VSync or set an FPS cap to stabilize frame pacing. If the game crashes or inputs fail, check the game logs, reinstall runtime libraries, and roll back or update drivers as needed. This final troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.